time to go ahead and disassemble this lift and work on getting it over to the new place and set up. So overall, this is not going to be too complicated of a project. A few bolts to undo and then just some manual labor. So we're going to get to it. You know, the Seth guy, he's a pretty fart smeller. Okay, the lift is mostly disassembled. We still have to kind of fold over those ends there, and then you kind of draw the legs out like that. We had a little bit of a hiccup. We're not going to talk about it. There might be some oil on the ground right there. We don't know what that's from either. But we did decide to use the van. So we got this big platform in on this side. Not bad. So using the Egyptian method, how they built the pyramids, just using leverage and small wheels. So now we're going to go ahead and try to get that one in. It's going to be a little bit more awkward because it has all the cables and stuff. And then we will just take that run over to the warehouse. Maybe I can stand on this side. Whoa. Weird. OSHA violations. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I can't get a good grip on it. Go for it. That's getting strapped to the wall. Yeah.
Must be an on button somewhere. Press the Apple thing.
Late, I'm tired. Gotta put these things on. It's not gonna work. That's what took us so long in disassembly, was we forgot to uncouple them before we lowered this thing. So now that they're uncoupled, we could lower it again and just lower it on the things and move it. So we'll figure it out. Okay, we need to actually move the car over quite a bit. I know the Cobra being really narrow, I was kind of worried that it was gonna not be wide enough for the ramps, but I absolutely need to get it moved over. Okay. That's even. Okay. Sweet. So there is another car coming over. I'll likely just keep the Cobra below it just because this one's going to get driven a little bit more. So yeah, it looks good up there. Sweet. Got all four catches catching at the same time, which is, it's one of those things. It's really satisfying. All right, as you can see, we got a bright orange Pantera in here, so a little bit delayed on that one. I actually had to put a fuel pump and filter on it, so climbing underneath the car wasn't too bad of a job, but it died basically as soon as we got done moving it to move the lift. So it would have been nice to do it with a lift, but we'd move the lift out. You guys know what I'm saying. So anyway, yeah. Like the cars in here, I like the organization, I like the look, and we still have plenty of space to work around. So anyway, hope you guys like this kind of short episode. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I will link the actual manufacturer of the lift. It's, I never mentioned it, but Advantage Lifts. So anyway, yeah, check the description. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I hope to see you guys in the next episode. Thanks for watching.